دلی هندوستان است. جمعه مسجد جمعه.
Zardalu.
Zardalu, şarap.
When I fit like your dresses, so I'm looking Indian. When I suited like you.
When I wear a kurta and pajama,
Yeah.
consider me I'm
Okay. When I wear a shirt yesterday
Why you didn't follow?
I don't call you. There is a zoo. We went there yesterday, and when we get tickets for Korean 200 rupees ticket, I told you I'm from Kashmir. मैं कश्मीर से आया हूँ. He gave me 40 rupees ticket. And also all from my friend.
You are from India.
yeah, I'm from India.
You know, you're student.
You are student.
Yeah, I'm a student.
این بود جمعه مسجد.
It is Jamia Masjid.
It is Jama Masjid.
Which made by Shah Jahan.
And in Urdu how it will be.
ये मस्जिद जो है ना ये शाहजहां
शाहजहां ने बनवाई है।
जैसा कि ताजमहल बनाया है इस तरह ये मस्जिद भी शाहजहां ने बनाया है जो अफगानिस्तान का
Speak English.
था। You told me to speak
Okay, thanks, great.
English. This is one of the historical masjid which made by Shah Jahan.
Biggest mosque in India.
हाँ. Yeah, Pashto and Dari. Persian and Pashto.
Question
I'm Pashto. Real Pashto. And she is real Tajik.